The government's offering a $1,000 stipend to those who self-deport. Hello, everyone. This is Attorney Andre McKinney Dorval. In this video, we're going to talk about a few consequences of departing the U.S. that you should be aware of if you are considering departure. Now, as an intro to the video, I announced what we've all heard by now, and that is DHS is offering $1,000 to those who self-deport in addition to travel assistance. Now, this video is intended for informational purposes, and I also want to strongly encourage you to work with the licensed immigration attorney concerning your particular legal matter and certainly departing the country. Now, 3 consequences to be aware of for those who leave the country. And number 1 is, if you leave the country and you otherwise don't have authorization to travel back into the country, or you don't have a lawful pathway, be aware that if you have pending applications, such as asylum applications or any other form of application that you have filed in removal proceedings or with USCIS, and that includes applications that can assist you in a removal proceeding, or if you have an order of deportation already, such as a motion to reopen. Traveling outside of the country can have a negative consequence of you being deemed as abandoning that particular form of relief that you are seeking. Number 2, unlawful presence and reentry bars. If you've accrued unlawful presence since being in the U.S., this can trigger bars to reentry. And depending on the amount of unlawful presence you've accrued, departing can either trigger a 3-year, 10-year, or permanent bar. And the third consequence for you to be aware of, and that is, depending on your immigration history concerning the amount of unlawful presence that you may have acquired, departing could make you otherwise inadmissible to the United States if you are eligible for a visa. So even if you're otherwise for the visa, having a departure that triggered unlawful presence could mean that you will not be able to reenter unless you have a waiver of inadmissibility. So guys, work with a licensed immigration attorney. There are consequences to leaving the country and being able to return back, whether it's a 3, 10, or permanent bar. This video was for general information purposes. I do ask that you like, share, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye-bye.